everyone, I'm Anne and welcome into the studio. I hope you will consider subscribing to this channel, which I call Annmakes. And you can do so by clicking on the subscribe button below the Annmakes in the corner of your screen. And please, if you click on the bell until it moves, YouTube will know that you wish to be notified whenever I post new content. And why would you like to subscribe to this channel? Because if you like anything having to do with arts and crafts, how-tos, DIYs, or do-it-yourself, and product reviews, product unboxings, woo, and of course there are lots of haul videos on this channel, especially pertaining to anything crafty and affordable. So you will want to click on one of those subscribe buttons that I mentioned already. So today I do have a haul video to share with you. I did some online shopping during the Christmas break. I got some stuff that Santa did not bring me because, well, Santa maybe doesn't know how to go shopping for art supplies like I do. So I got stuff from Amazon. All the links for these products will be in the description of the video, and there are several videos to follow this little intro to my Amazon haul of my art supplies, as there are several products to show. So here is one of my Amazon hauls, like one of my most current Amazon hauls of my new art supplies. I have 4 products here to share with you. They are all coloring supplies and different mediums. So if you're interested in seeing what I hauled, stay tuned. The next part of the video has been pre-filmed, and there will be information on the products, and there will be a series of videos where you can watch me swatch out all these different products. So I hope you enjoyed this little Amazon art supply haul that I have for you today. Here are the brand new art supplies I hauled from Amazon.ca. Let's start with the Black Widow skin wax colored pencils in the set of 12. These are the light tone skin colored pencils. The assortment of colors in the set represent the main color of human skin found all over the world and can be blended to achieve any desired skin tone. Pencils are a hexagonal with a 4mm core, which offers a stronger wax core. Next are the Stabilo Woody 3-in-1. This comes in a set of 18. They are multi-talented pencils that can also be used on glass and is easy to wipe off. They are water soluble. It says that they have a strong covering power and intense color, even on the darkest papers and glass. Unbreakable thick wooden pencil with extra large lead, ideal for little children's hands. So for little artists who love using lots of colors in creative ways, I ordered these, although they are marketed for children, because I had heard very good things about them. I heard that they are light fast, which is incredible for a children's art supply. So I will show you in a upcoming video exactly all the colors swatched out and how they perform with some water. Next, I ordered the Faber-Castell Stampers Big Brush Pen Set. There are 15 permanent India ink colors in this box. I love using Faber-Castell Big Brush Pens. They are great to use on your stamps or just for plain coloring. And each time the colors come out very crisp, and again, they are light fast. I have a 4th item to share with you. However, it arrived in another order and I already pre-filmed this part the day that it arrived. but I am including it in this video. They are the art crayon essentials for mixed media work. They are by Marabou. I've heard positive things about all Marabou art supplies, and I wanted to give these a try. So these are high pigment, water-soluble wax crayons with smooth, soft consistency. Vivid, light, fast colors that can be smoothly mixed for brightly colored blending and a watercolor appearance when combined with water. Also ideal for producing backgrounds, wipe stenciling and stamping, as well as linking mixed media projects. Use on paper, canvas, wood, etc. These came in a set of 4 colors. There is a flesh color, a cocoa, a white, and a black. In future videos, I will share with you the swatches I've made and a very small art project in my watercolor book. I will also show you again my color binder organizer where I keep track of all the coloring supplies I currently own. If you have any comments or questions, please put those below in the comment section. I do reply to all the comments eventually. And if you especially like this video, a thumbs up would be so greatly appreciated. Please share if you care. If you have any questions, I will try to answer those as well. So remember, if you like this type of video where I go shopping and I show you what I bought, or I make something with the stuff that I showed you that I bought, then please consider subscribing to my channel here that is called Annmakes. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wish you all a very wonderful and crafty day. Bye.